I ordered this mat for a carbon steel pan because I needed a pan to cook my eggs in that would be non-stick. It made perfect eggs, but little did I know that this would become the favorite pan in my kitchen. After I cooked the eggs, I realized just how incredible this pan is. I've only had it a couple weeks, but after seasoning the pan, I have reached for this pan to help me prepare just about every meal. I pan roasted some corn for a black bean salad, and I got a perfect char on that corn. I seared some tuna steaks for some lazy sushi. The tuna steaks were seared perfectly. I also seared some marinated shrimp for shrimp tacos, and these were also cooked perfectly. Absolutely perfect. Look at the flavor in that pan. The pan does have some weight to it, and as you can see, it can hold quite a bit of food. So I am very happy with the pan. Last night I did a burger in it, and it had the perfect crust, and now that I've cooked the egg, I'm confident that this pan can cook anything that I would need a non-stick for and more.